Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Na2S is a nucleophilic sulfide reagent, S2, that undergoes nucleophilic aromatic substitution, SNAR, with activated aryl halides. The nitro group at the para position strongly activates the ring toward SNAR by stabilizing the Mesenheimer complex intermediate. Moving on to the next step. Identify the substrate. The substrate is 4-chloronitrobenzene, 1-chloro-4-nitrobenzene, where the nitro group is para to the chlorine. The nitro group is an electron-withdrawing group that activates the carbon bearing the halide toward nucleophilic attack. Moving on to the next step. Identify the reagent. Na2S provides the S2 sulfide dianion as the nucleophile. Since two equivalents of 4-chloronitrobenzene are used with Na2S, both the nucleophilic attacks can occur. S2 first displaces Cl from one molecule of 4-chloronitrobenzene to form ARS, 4-nitrophenyl thiolate, and then the ARS acts as nucleophile to displace Cl from a second molecule of 4-chloronitrobenzene. And for the final step. Reaction mechanism. First substitution, S2 attacks the ipso carbon, bearing Cl, of 4-chloronitrobenzene via SNAR, the nitro group stabilizes the Mesenheimer complex, Cl leaves, giving 4O2NC6H4S-. Second substitution, the 4-nitrophenyl thiolate anion, ARS-, acts as nucleophile, attacks the ipso carbon of a second molecule of 4-chloronitrobenzene, again assisted by the para-nitro group, Cl leaves, giving 4O2NC6H4S-C6H4NO2-4, i.e., bis, 4-nitrophenyl sulfide. Product identification. The product is 4,4-dinitrodiphenyl sulfide, two benzene rings each bearing a para-nitro group, connected by a sulfur, thioether, bridge. This corresponds to option B. Why other options fail? A. 4-chlorothiophenols. This would require only one substitution and hydrolysis, the Cl would remain, which is not what Na2S does with two equivalents of substrate. C. 4-nitrothiophenols. This would be the product of only one SNAR and protonation, URSH, but with two equivalents of ArCl, the thiolate intermediate reacts further. D. Unsymmetrical dinitrodiphenyl sulfide. The second aromatic ring shows ortho, No2, which is not present in the starting material, only para, No2 is present. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.